Take a ride in the 2025 3 Series. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, heated front seats, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, lumbar support, universal garage door opener, compass. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort,